What if I told you there's a simple method that could help you attract what you really want in life? Sounds interesting, right? That's exactly what we're going to explore today. The 369 method for manifestation. This technique has been gaining a lot of attention for its powerful yet straightforward approach to turning your desires into reality. Whether you're new to manifestation or looking for a fresh way to focus your intentions, the 369 method could be just what you need. Stick around as we break down how this method works and how you can start using it today to bring your goals to life. Understand the basics of the 369 method. Let's start by understanding the basics of the 369 method, a simple yet powerful tool to help you attract what you truly want in life. Picture this. Every day, you take a few moments to focus on your desires. In the morning, you write down what you want 3 times. Then, in the afternoon, you jot it down 6 more times. Finally, in the evening, you repeat it 9 times. The idea behind using the numbers 3, 6, and 9 is that they hold special power in numerology, which helps to boost the effectiveness of this practice. By repeating your desires, you're doing more than just hoping. They're becoming a part of your daily thoughts and energy. This method is all about using repetition to focus your mind and intention on what you want to manifest. Think of it as planting a seed in the morning and watering it throughout the day, ensuring it grows strong and healthy. The more you focus on your desires with this method, the more aligned your thoughts and actions become, bringing you closer to your goals. Simple yet effective, right? Set clear and specific goals. Before you can start using the 369 method, the first step is to get really clear on what you want. Think about it this way. If you don't know exactly what you're aiming for, it's like trying to hit a target in the dark. So, take a moment to define your goal. Is it something you want in your career, like landing that dream job? Or maybe it's about improving a relationship or reaching a health milestone. Whatever it is, make sure you are specific. The more precise you are, the better you can focus your energy and intention on making it happen. When you're setting your goal, try to frame it in a way that feels like it's already true. For example, instead of saying, "I want to be healthier," you might say, "I am healthy, vibrant, and full of energy." This helps your mind start to believe it's possible, which is a big part of manifesting your desires. Clarity and specificity are key here. They help guide your thoughts and actions in the right direction, making the 369 method even more powerful. So, take your time and set a clear, specific goal that truly resonates with you. Create powerful affirmations. Now, let's talk about creating powerful affirmations. This is where the magic of the 369 method really kicks in. Think of an affirmation as a short, positive statement that captures exactly what you want to achieve. It's not just any statement, though. It needs to be something that really resonates with you, something that feels true and uplifting every time you say or write it. For instance, if your goal is to boost your health, you might create an affirmation like, "I am healthy, vibrant, and full of energy." Notice how it's written as if it's already happening. That's key. The power of an affirmation lies in its ability to evoke strong feelings and a deep sense of belief in what you're affirming. The words should make you feel good and confident, stirring up positive emotions every time you repeat them. This emotional connection is what helps to solidify your belief in the affirmation, making it more effective. So take your time to craft an affirmation that truly speaks to your goal. Make it positive, concise, and something that lights you up inside. This will be the foundation of your 369 method practice, guiding you toward manifesting your desires. Write your affirmations consistently. Let's talk about the power of consistency when it comes to the 369 method. You've got your affirmation, and now it's time to make it a part of your daily life. This isn't just a one-time thing. It's something you'll do every single day. Here's how it works. In the morning, you write your affirmation 3 times. Then in the afternoon, you write it 6 more times. Finally, in the evening, you write it 9 times. This might seem simple, but it's incredibly powerful. By repeating your affirmation throughout the day, you're helping to lock it into your subconscious mind. Think of this practice as a way to keep your goal front and center, no matter what else is going on in your life. The more you repeat your affirmation, the more you start to believe in it, and the more your actions begin to align with that belief. This daily repetition is like training your mind to focus on what you want to manifest. So make it a non-negotiable part of your routine. Stick with it, and you'll find that this simple, consistent practice can bring about real change in your life. Visualize your success. Let's take a moment to talk about the power of visualization, a key part of the 369 method. As you write your affirmations, don't just let the words sit on the page. Bring them to life in your mind. Close your eyes and really imagine what it would feel like if your goal had already come true. Picture yourself living that reality. What does it look like? How does it feel? Maybe even think about the sounds, smells, and textures that would be part of that experience. The idea is to make the image in your mind as vivid and real as possible. When you visualize your success like this, you're doing more than just daydreaming. You're actually aligning your thoughts and energy with your desired outcome. This mental imagery helps to strengthen your belief that what you're affirming is not only possible, but is already on its way to becoming real. The more detailed and emotionally charged your visualization, the more powerful it becomes. So, as you write your affirmations, take a few moments to visualize success. It's like adding fuel to the fire of your intentions, making your manifestation efforts even stronger. Maintain a positive mindset. Let's talk about the importance of keeping a positive mindset while using the 369 method. Staying optimistic is key, especially when you don't see results right away. It's easy to get discouraged if things don't happen as quickly as you'd like, but that's when it's most important to keep your thoughts upbeat and your energy focused on what you want to achieve. Remember, manifestation isn't always instant. Sometimes it takes time for things to align perfectly. But the power of a positive mindset can keep you on track and help you push through any doubts. Negative thoughts and self-doubt can be like roadblocks on your path to manifesting your goals. If you start thinking that what you want isn't possible, you're sending mixed signals to your mind and the universe. That's why it's crucial to avoid negativity and surround yourself with positive influences, whether it's uplifting books, inspiring people, or simply reminding yourself of your goals. Keeping your mindset positive will help you stay aligned with what you're trying to manifest. So trust in the process, stay positive, and keep your focus on the bigger picture. This mindset will make your 369 method practice even more powerful and effective. Be patient and persistent. Let's talk about the importance of patience and persistence when it comes to the 369 method. Manifestation isn't something that happens overnight. It's a process that unfolds over time. You might be eager to see results right away, but it's crucial to keep practicing daily, even when you don't see immediate changes. Think of it like planting a seed. Just because you can't see it growing doesn't mean it's not taking root. Staying committed to the 369 method means consistently writing your affirmations and staying open to the signs and opportunities that come your way. Trust that the universe is working behind the scenes, aligning things perfectly for you. Your desires will manifest when the time is right, so keep your faith strong and stay the course. Patience and persistence are your best friends on this path, helping you move steadily toward your goals. As you start using the 369 method, remember that patience and persistence are your keys to success. If you found this guide helpful, don't forget to hit that like button and subscribe to Infinite Potential Manifesting for more tips and techniques to help you manifest your dreams. Let's unlock your full potential together. See you in the next video.